Did you know that vinegar can be used for so much more than just cooking? In fact, vinegar has amazing hacks that you probably never even imagined. So get ready to be blown away by these secret vinegar uses. First up, did you know that vinegar can be a natural weed killer? Simply mix vinegar with water in a spray bottle and spray it directly onto those pesky weeds in your garden. Vinegar's acidity will kill them off without the need for harmful chemicals. Next, vinegar can be a fantastic cleaning agent. Just mix equal parts vinegar and water, and you have an all-purpose cleaner that can tackle grease, grime, and even remove stubborn stains. Want a streak-free shine on your mirrors and windows? Vinegar is your secret weapon. But that's not all. Vinegar can also be used to repel insects. Just soak a cloth in vinegar and place it near doorways or windows to keep those unwanted bugs at bay. It's a natural and effective solution. And did you know that vinegar can even freshen up your home? Simply boil a cup of vinegar on the stove for a few minutes, and it will help eliminate any lingering odors in the air. It's a quick and easy way to create a more inviting atmosphere in your home. Lastly, vinegar can be a lifesaver in the laundry room. Add a cup of vinegar to your washing machine to help remove stubborn odors from your clothes. It's a natural deodorizer that leaves your laundry smelling fresh and clean. Amazing, right? So there you have it, some incredible vinegar hacks that you never even imagined. From being a natural weed killer to a cleaning agent, insect repellent, air freshener, and laundry helper, vinegar truly is a versatile genius. Give these hacks a try, and you'll be amazed at what vinegar can do for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more incredible tips and